Hi, Professor. It's me. It's Nicole McClard. It is officially June 1st. It is Friday. This busy week is almost over. I'm going to be working on the second part of the biochemical lab today and doing the methyl red Voges Proskauer test. So I've got this set up here. So what I've been reading is basically I have both my broths here. I've got the E. coli and the S. epidermidis. I still can't. Epidermidis. I'm pretty sure that's it. So anyways, I have them here. I do look like I have some growth in each of these, so I'm going to split half of these into my test tubes that I have equaled out here. So I have two, and so these are going to be poured in. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will come back and show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I have let's move this into position down here. So here I have my two vials of E. coli, and I have my two vials of the S. epidermidis, and they're both equal amounts. I have opened my methyl red here. Let me just get my goggles on, my mask on. Okay, so it says to put 2 drops, or I'm sorry, 7 drops of the methyl red into E. coli and the S. epidermis. A positive result would be either a pinkish or reddish color right away. So let's go ahead and let's start with the S. epidermis. And I'm going to put 7 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I definitely have a red pinkish color here, so I'm assuming that's going to be a positive result. There's that there. And then let's go ahead and pull our E. coli. And I'll do the same thing here with 7 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go ahead and mix that up. This is like a clear red. Is this also a positive? Let's go ahead and check it out. And I'm going to pause. I'm going to put in my results into my lab report, and I will be back. Okay, it's time for the Voges Proskauer test, and I have my 2 vials samples, and I have my pipettes open. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the screen so we can see. I'm going to do just 1 vial to show you, and then I will do the second one, and then they both have to sit for about 30 minutes to get the results. So let's go ahead and get that all situated. Okay, so I've got the Barrett's A reagent. I'm going to start with the E. coli and bring that out. And it's 12 drops of the reagent A. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Swirl it around. Okay. And then we need 4 drops of the Barrett's reagent B, which are right here. And we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to set that to the side. I'm going to swirl that around, get it all mixed in. And I'm going to let that sit for 30 minutes to see the test results. So let me do the other one. I will let those sit, and I will be back. Okay, so on to part 2. While the E. coli and the other vials are basically resting for the 30 minutes so I can get the test results on that, I'm going to do the second part of the exercise, the Catalase testing. So I've got my E. coli growth over here, and I've got my labeled slides here. So I'm going to go ahead and move the screen, and I will show you one, and then I will basically turn it off and then do the other one on my own and record all my results, and we'll go from there. So let me go ahead and get started. Screen. Okay, screen position, much better. Okay. So from here, I'm going to do my inoculation loop. It's in the alcohol. It is dried. It is ready for some of the E. coli, which I have here. Let's go ahead and pull some of the colonies here. Pull in those colonies here. I'm going to cover that back up right away. I've got my slide down here. I'm going to spread that onto my slide. So like that. This is going to go into my undiluted bleach. There. Okay, and then it says to drop in the hydrogen peroxide, which I have here, and let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3. See if anything starts to happen here. Oh yes, I definitely see some sort of foaming action. So I'm going to go ahead and do this procedure also on the S. epidermis, and I will record all my results. And that's the end of this week's lab so far. So hope these videos were great this week, and I will see you next week. Thank you.